Hello, little scientists. Get ready to discover the amazing, invisible power of magnets. It's so cool. Magnets are special objects that can pull or push other things. It's a magic force. They have an invisible field of power all around them. You can't see it. Every magnet has two ends, called poles. A north pole and a south pole. When different poles meet, like north and south, they attract. They love each other. But when same poles meet, like north and north, they repel. They push away. Try it yourself. Feel the push and pull. It's so much fun to explore. Magnets love to attract metal. Things made of iron, nickel, or cobalt are magnetic. Paper clips are made of steel, which has iron. So magnets pick them up easily. Can magnets pick up wood? No. How about plastic? Nope. Only special metals. There are many types of magnets, like bar magnets, horseshoe magnets, and round ones. Some magnets are natural, found in rocks called lodestones. Super cool earth magic. Other magnets are made by people. These are called artificial magnets. Very useful. Magnets are everywhere. Look at your refrigerator. Magnets hold up notes and art. Do you have magnetic building blocks? They click together like magic for amazing fun. Magnets are in your toys, race cars, fishing games, and many more fun things. Even your backpack has magnets sometimes, keeping it closed securely. So clever! Big machines use powerful magnets to lift heavy metal junk. Wow, that's strong! Magnets also help us find directions with a compass. It always points north. Can you think of other places you've seen magnets working? They are truly amazing. Always be safe with magnets. Don't put them near electronics or swallow small ones. Magnets can even float in the air if you arrange them just right. It's levitation. They help doctors see inside your body using MRI machines. Incredible technology! We learned about magnetic poles, what magnets attract, and how we use them every day. So cool! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time, little explorers. Bye bye for now.